There's some, well, here we are today with, special guest star Jeff and special guest star Emily and me. You don't need to see my mutton face. And we're looking at hawks in the tree. Mum was here a minute ago. She wasn't very happy with us guys hanging around here. There's 3 of them up there. Only 2 are showing their little faces up right now. I'll put some close-up pictures in and you can see what they look like. Yeah, so is that guy coming in? I don't know. Hawks in the tree at Holland Cove.